If you go to YouTube and you type in how to grow an Instagram account or how to grow my TikTok account, you can get 1,000 young kids telling you that they got the secret of how they grew their account from 0 to 100,000 people in only a month and how you can do the same thing. And then they offer you about 4 pieces of vapid advice and tell you that they have a program that they can sell you that will teach you how to do it. And I can tell you, having purchased hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of information products over the years, it's one of the best ways that you can learn is by buying somebody else's knowledge. But over the last few years, there has been a movement of people who are completely unqualified to give advice, who are hyping up the sort of results that they can get for you and then not delivering on them. And here's the truth about content marketing, or any other kind of marketing, by the way, is that it takes a long time to build that value and trust with people. And that you have to show up every single day, and you have to show up with real value without the expectation of return. And you have to deliver on that year after year, or day after day, month after month, year after year. And then eventually, someone's going to find you and they're going to trust you enough to say, you know what, they've helped me out so much so far, I think I might come to them and I might take a look at their product. I might actually invest in them and their business. But if you're trying to go out there and in a couple of weeks, through some sort of algorithm hack, build yourself a social following so that you can then pawn off whatever it is that you're selling to them, you're doing a disservice to yourself and you're doing a disservice to the people that you claim to want to help. And so I would just encourage you to slow down a little bit. And instead of focusing on what sort of content can I create to hack the algorithm, ask yourself, what can I create that would be a real benefit to somebody else's life today? Whether it's lifting them up emotionally because they're down, whether it's teaching them something that they didn't know before, or whether it's sharing some information that's going to help them make a decision down the road. Those are the types of things that really move people and build communities and build massive audiences that will respond. Because I'd rather have 1,000 people who are diehards, who believe in me and what we're doing and who want to be part of it, than 100,000 people who are only vaguely interested in me because some sort of algorithm hack told them they should subscribe.